We essentially waited 2.5 hours for this. Oh, wow. It's really creamy.
It looks like an Alfredo.
Yeah, it tastes like Alfredo. Alright, we're here at day 3. Oh, look at this beautiful cherry blossom. The plan for today is first, we're going to Shirohige's Cream Puff Factory, then Gyukatsu Udon Shin. That's the plan for today. Shirohige's. Look how cute they are. I'm gonna eat you all. Look how cute they are. They're going down my belly. It's starting to rain right now. We're packing up after our little video shoot. Let's get out of here. So this is the Totoro Cream Puff. We thought this one was matcha since it had a leaf on top. Matcha leaf.
Delicious matcha.
Maybe that's what they meant by matcha. Matcha leaf. I think I would like this to be colder. Custard is very creamy, not too sweet, just good enough. Alright, let's head to Gyukatsu. We're now here at Gyukatsu. What makes Gyukatsu so special is that you get to cook your own meat on this little rock stove that they provide you. And the best thing about it is you cook it to your liking. Everybody has a different meat preference. So if you like it medium, rare, well done, all up to you. Whether it's your first time here or your 5th time here, it's always a treat. We have finally made it in after about an 1.5 hour wait. But the 1.5 hour wait is well worth it. Gyukatsu was so amazing. The meat just plain juicy. Highly, highly, highly recommend you drop by and get their default order. The Shibuya Crossing, situated in Tokyo, Japan. It's a globally renowned pedestrian intersection known for its unique scramble crossing. At peak times, traffic is halted in all directions, allowing up to 2,500 pedestrians to cross simultaneously in every direction, including diagonally. This high-energy spectacle, one of the busiest pedestrian crossings worldwide, has cemented Shibuya Crossing as an iconic symbol of Tokyo's bustling city life. Let's gather evidence. This girl has stopped at every single mask shop to get masks. This is the 8th stop already. Somebody send help. I'm down over here for mask shopping. More masks.
You are not letting me.
So we're currently waiting for our turn at Udon Shin. Then they told us to walk around the area and come back after our number is called. We got Starbucks Cola that has a very interesting taste to it. Maybe we should have got tea instead. Feels like it's choking up my throat.
How much was that?
600 something. Our mistake. We forgot to stir it. Tastes a lot better now. If you love udon, Udon Shin is for you. They make and roll all of their udons fresh. If you're an udon lover, this is a must try. Do you usually like udon? Mm-hmm.
Noodle soft. Oh, the meat is good.
So it's just like a hint of spiciness, or was it why?
It's a hit.
Got the bowl of udon right here. We essentially waited 2.5 hours for this. Oh, wow. Udon is just like golden. That's really creamy. But not to the point where it's overpowered with richness. And the beef is so soft.
It's like an Alfredo.
Yeah, it tastes like Alfredo. This is like Japanese meets Italian. You know it's udon, but somehow it feels as if you're in a part of Italy. The place was delicious. The wait was about 3 hours. I think, to be more exact, it was about 2.5 hours. What you have to do is go there, get a number, and wait until you're called for that number. Once your number is called, then you can wait in line. But if your number's not called, you can't wait in line yet. They'll tell you to go explore the area. That's their way of saying, go away until you're called. If you guys ever get a chance, make sure to get there before or around 6 p.m. Because if you don't get there on time, tickets are gonna run out. You'll probably be done with eating and everything by 10 p.m. Right now it's 9 o'clock. We got there at 6. That's 3 hours just waiting in that area. But worth it. Worth it? Worth it?
Maybe the wait was an hour.